Hey guys, Jonathan here with Colorado Custom Covers and Decks again. I just want to go over some helium posts that we're putting in. We got Brian here with Techno Metal Post. He's going to give a little rundown on what we're doing, why we're doing, and what's the best, why it's better to go with these rather than concrete piers. Brian?
So what we're installing today is our helical pier, which is basically a pipe with a helix at the bottom of it, and it works like a giant screw, and it bores down into the ground. And it has several advantages over concrete. One of the advantages is we can monitor the torque as we're drilling down into the ground, and that allows us to know exactly what kind of capacity the pier will carry at any given depth. So we watch our torque gauges as we're installing them, and we have a target for what the post is holding up, and we make sure we hit that target. Another good advantage to helical piers is in areas like this area is famous for having expansive clay soils. So the reason we're using helical piers today is we want to get our helical pier and our helix specifically beneath that expansive soil, so that this deck will not move as the soil heaves with moisture content. Another benefit we have is also frost heaving. As you can tell, we put these green sleeves on our helical piers. Those green sleeves will isolate our helical piers from frost, so as the ground freezes and tries to lift the piers up and down, it will move independently. Other than that, as you can see, we've already installed a few posts on this site, and really there's no mess, there's nothing left to clean up, and as soon as we're done with this, they can start building on it right away.
All right, well, thanks, Brian. Yeah. We appreciate it. I appreciate your time. And again, guys, at Covers and Decks, and also YouTube, the Deck Answers. Appreciate your time.